Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another awesome video. My name's Erastus for Garment Creations, and on this channel you get tips and tricks to amplify your t-shirt business. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to get started in your own home business as far as sublimation. Okay, with all the talks going on with the coronavirus, I know a lot of people are spending a lot of time in the house because we're scared, but I'm going to show you how you can turn that fear into opportunities to better off the future. So if you're staying at home and you can't work because the job is closed, you can work from home. And I'm going to show you all that you need to get started in your very own t-shirt business doing sublimation. What is sublimation? Sublimation is a gas that transfers onto the garment or the substrate using some type of special technology. And what you would need is a special ink. And I'll tell y'all, the very first thing I would recommend that you go ahead, smash the link below and grab a box of these Cosmos ink. Cosmos ink's the best ink I've seen so far when it comes to sublimation. All right, so you need your Cosmos ink, and then you will need your Epson printer. And the printer that I would recommend is the 7710 or the 7720. Epson 7710 or Epson 7720. Those two printers there can be converted and then made into a sublimation printer using the printer and the sublimation kit that comes from Cosmos Ink. Links to everything I'm talking about gonna be in the description, so make sure you smash that. Go ahead, do your thing. The next thing that you're gonna need that is essential to all this is your heat press. So I have two heat presses here. I have a 16 by 20 and a 15 by 15. To get started based on your budget, I would go ahead and start with a 16 by 20 if you can afford it. If not, grab the 15 by 15. All right. So again, you can grab your heat press from Heat Press Nation or Amazon or Pro World. I would suggest you go to Heat Press Nation. I got the links down below. Grab a heat press that's gonna get you right, because you're gonna be in the crib. All right, you're gonna be in the crib. We don't know how long this thing is gonna be going on. You can't even go to the store and find no water. Sanitizer is not available. So go ahead, wash your hands, fire up that heat press, grab your ink, grab your printer, grab your heat press. And then you're gonna need some paper. And the paper that I recommend is the A-Sub paper. A-Sub paper. Again, links to that in the description of the video. You can grab that. So I got the 8.5 by 11. And I also have the 19 by 13, both from A-Sub. This one here is a big sheet. You can do a lot with this. And then this here, you can also do a lot with like a full front shirt or some mugs. You can chop it up and do that, okay? You can make stuff like this. These are license plates. You can get the license plates from anywhere like Pro World or stuff like that. And look at this though. I want to show y'all the colors to this thing. See the colors? See the glare on there? That's only if you're using this Cosmos ink. I'm telling y'all, the Cosmos ink comes like in a nice decorated package, personalized, and it comes with these things, these scary needle looking things. Got the ink. This ink here is 12 millimeters. You have 4 colors here. Your cyan, magenta, your yellow, and your black. Okay, so with those couple things that we just talked about and your blanks, you can do all types of blanks, man. People are putting these things on shirts. People are putting them on mouse pads. This is a mouse pad that I did on mugs, on clocks. If you didn't see my clock video, go ahead and check out the video over here somewhere, or look in the playlist. Watch the clock video and see how people are making a lot of money selling these clocks that you get from Walmart for a couple dollars. All right, you can make some socks, seeing a bunch of the socks. I also have a sock video too if you want to know how to get into the sock business. You can order your socks from Silky Socks. Shout out to my man Dennis at Silky Socks doing his thing. Great product. And yeah, everything else that we just talked about. I don't know what else you would need right now to get started at home while you're on the couch watching the scary stuff about this virus. Stay away from the TV, fire up that heat press, grab all that you need. The funny thing, you don't even gotta get out the house to go and get the stuff. People will deliver it for you. Shipment is not being held up. It's only flights that's being delayed. Feel me? So go ahead, turn this opportunity that you're scared of into money while you're sitting there on the couch. Until next time, if you have any questions on anything that we talked about, leave a comment down below. And if you're using the Cosmos ink, let me know. What is your experience with Cosmos ink? Because I love them. I'm out, y'all. See y'all in the next one. God bless you. Keep firing up the heat press. Join our Facebook group. It's called Fire Up the Heat Press. Fire Up the Heat Press is the group. And when you're joining that group, make sure you answer all 3 questions, or else I'm going to have to deny you. All right? So go ahead. I love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Peace.